Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. Today is Saturday 27th March 2021. We'll see in English, we'll see the grammar. Comprehension parts. Children, like this only it is going to, isn't it? Your face. There is a passage. I'll read it out to you. The two passages are there for today's class. Question answers are there after every comprehension. This is from your reader only, this passage. What is on the computer, okay? You have to give answers of this passage to me in the homework. Two passages are there. Shall I start reading? Homework has historically been given to the students to reinforce what they learn at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counterproductive. Excessive amount of time spent on completing homework can take away the kids' social life, family life, and it limits their participation in sports or other activities. The amount of homework a teacher has to give to a student should be restricted. Children who are overweight has doubled in the last 2 or 3 decades. They have become fat. Children have become. Currently, one child out of 5 is overweight. Why do you think so this happens? These children are with more problems in school. Instead of learning and concentrating on their work, many children are developing low self-esteem and even depression because of teasing. The cases of obesity are growing more certainly due to lack of physical exercise. With more and more homework being assigned, kids simply do not have enough time for proper amount of exercise. Homework also takes away the time kid could be spending with his or her family. Rather than spending time bonding and building strong family relationships, parents and children argue over homework. Time is taken away from important aspects of daily life. This time is particularly precious in families with both the parents working. Got it? The time spent by such parents with their children is very limited. This time could be better spent going out to dinner as a family or doing other activities that most families are not able to do because the kids don't have time to take a break from their homework schedule. Number of children. So the question answers are from this passage only. I just read, no? The answers are in that passage only. You have to think and write it correctly. First question, what is the name of the lesson? The passage is taken. This is from your reader only. What is the name of the lesson? Think and write. You can see it in your readers, no problem. What is the synonym of the word excessive in the passage? Synonym means meaning. Excessive means more. बहुत ज़्यादा, much about it. What is the cause of obesity? Third question. What is the antonym? Antonym means what, children? Opposite of exercise. Give the moral of the passage. Fifth one, give the moral of the comprehension, children. Kurnool, a district with rock soil in Andhra Pradesh in the Krishna river basin, is known as the land of rocky temples in Rayalaseema region. The headquarters of the district with the namesake is a city with a population of 5 lakhs. Thousands of tourists have from various parts of the state travel through the city on their way to tourist spots. Understood? This is also a lesson from your comprehension from your lesson, from your readers only, 9th class readers. The people of the city welcome the tourists in a warm mood. This is a part of their daily routine. Every morning is colorful for them. But on 28 September 2009, no tourist visited a city from any part of the state. What happened in that day? No bus entered the city from any distant village or town. Something terrible happened, which stopped the visitors. On 27 September 2009, the city had a heavy rain. The Central Water Commissioner forecast that the inflows at the Srisailam Dam would go up to an enormous level of 20 lakh cc of water, the highest in its history, posing a threat to the villages on the banks of Krishna river. By the noon of the day, people bore the brunt of the flood fury as the flood water reached the first story of several buildings. It was very bad flood which we had few months back even in Al Jubail, right? You can understand how it was a flood. The Srisalam Right Power Bank powerhouse submerged. There were heart-rending scenes of people frantically seeking assistance to rescue them. The people had never experienced before such a trauma and loss of property. But the government did not have sufficient number of boats and men to help them. The authorities estimated that about 40,000 people had taken shelter on the rooftops. The flood inundated about 60 villages all over the district, many of them completely submerged. Many of the misery was caused by the Tungabhadra and the Handri Niva rivers, tributaries of the Krishna. Several places including Mantralayam, the seat of Sri Raghavendra Swami Math, were under a sheet of 10 feet of water for the homework. From the passage only, if you have read it properly, you will be able to give the answers. Okay. You should send both the passages homework to me by 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. Got it? First question. Name the district which had flood. Write the time when the terrible flood came. Which dam could go to enormous level. Got it, children? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class. Send me the homeworks by 6.